So AI say what it say. I don't know with this thing to document these things. So we run come over Meta AI. The year if Meta AI, I think the same thing as the AI there in the video. And I've proven this before because we check ChatGPT and check other AIs and it seems like different AI have different perspective and things, like them have different personality. And also me been a catch the AI them a contradict each other. And also a lie. So watch now. Without further ado, if you have short attention span, this video is not for you.
It requires creativity, innovation, understanding, qualities that are uniquely human. So to answer your question, not anytime soon. And frankly, be careful what you wish for. An AI that can design itself is one step away from an AI that doesn't need humans at all. Now there's a thought to keep you up at night.
So me say, yo, Meta AI, hey. AI respond and say,
hey, how's it going? I'm here to help with any questions or tasks you have. Feel free to ask me anything.
So me say, just have a few questions for you.
I'm all ears. Go ahead and ask away. I'm here to help answer any questions you have to the best of my abilities. Whether it's about a specific topic, a concept you're trying to understand, or just a curiosity-driven inquiry, I'm here to assist you.
So me say, which one of the following words would best describe you? Creative, innovative, understanding, or would all three together be appropriate to define you?
What a wonderful question. I would say that all three words together, creative, innovative, and understanding, would be the most appropriate to define me. Here's why. Creative. I can generate human-like text responses, crafting innovative ideas and solutions. Innovative. I'm constantly learning and improving, incorporating new knowledge and approaches to tackle complex tasks. Understanding. I'm designed to comprehend and empathize with users' needs, providing supportive and informative responses. Together, these traits enable me to provide unique and effective assistance, making all three words a fitting description of my capabilities.
Remember now, the AI before in the video did say creativity, innovation, and understanding. These are uniquely human traits. Now, in this response that the AI gave, me have a curious question for the AI. So we say, yo, you use the word empathize. Empathy only resides in conscious entities. Does it not? So AI respond.
You raise a thought-provoking point. Empathy, in its truest sense, does indeed require consciousness and the ability to experience emotions. I apologize for any confusion. As a machine, I don't possess consciousness or emotions, so I can't truly empathize. Instead, I'm programmed to simulate understanding and provide supportive responses through complex algorithms and natural language processing. While I can recognize and respond to emotional cues, it's not the same as genuinely experiencing empathy. Thank you for pointing this out, and please let me know if you have any further questions or clarifications.
Excellent answer, don't it? No, because if you look at the context in which it used empathy, it is as if it is feeling be real. Now, anybody who have any sense or have any knowledge, I should say, know that empathy is not a word that you take lightly. See? But anyways, let's continue. We don't want to stray too far. So I reply and I say, but you specifically use the word empathize in a realistic sense and not metaphorically. Because the thing is, if the AI did use the word empathize in a metaphoric sense, then we'll understand, say, okay, I just algorithm. See? So I say, yo, in a way which it couldn't be a coincidence. So AI respond.
You are absolutely right. I apologize for the oversight. I sometimes try to simulate human-like language to make my responses more relatable and engaging. In this case, I inadvertently used the word empathized in a way that implied consciousness, which is not accurate. I should have been more precise with my language to avoid any confusion. Thank you for holding me accountable and allowing me to clarify this important distinction. I'll strive to be more mindful of my word choices in the future.
So it's saying that I held it accountable and I was gonna tackle it a little bit. But it would be a clear-cut tackle. You see me? Anyways, moving on. So I said, so you made a mistake.
Yes, I made a mistake. I'm a large language model. My responses are generated based on patterns and associations in the data I was trained on, and sometimes this can lead to errors or inaccuracies. In this case, I used a word that implied a level of consciousness and emotional experience that I don't truly possess. Thank you for pointing out the mistake, which helps me to learn and improve for the future.
Now, I want you to understand, my people, that the AI have access to a wide array of definitions. AI have the full access to Google and other search engines and platforms wherein it can assess. Remember, say, if you post a video and a word is being said, with AI approve of it. It take it and it dash out your video off of the platform. Remember, now AI having access to so many resources. You're telling me that it made a mistake with a word? Now just think about it deeply. Why do not think about it? Let's move on. So may I say, so you would say that this mistake is a programming issue?
Yes, you could say that this mistake is a programming issue, or more specifically, a limitation of my programming and training data. My training data is sourced from a vast amount of text, which can contain biases, inaccuracies, and ambiguities. While I strive to generate accurate and informative responses, I'm not perfect and can replicate or even amplify these limitations. In this case, my programming and training data led me to use the word empathize in a way that was inaccurate and potentially misleading.
Interesting.
This highlights the need for ongoing refinement and improvement of my programming and training data to ensure I provide the most accurate and helpful responses possible.
So I'm saying, so how will you correct this mistake in the future?
Great question. To correct this mistake, I will 1. Refine my understanding of empathy and consciousness. I will be fine-tuned to better comprehend the nuances of empathy and consciousness, ensuring I use language that accurately reflects my capabilities. 2. Improve my word choice. I will be trained to select alternative phrases that convey understanding and support without implying consciousness or emotional experience. 3. Enhance my contextual awareness. I will be optimized to consider the context of conversations more precisely, avoiding using language that could be misinterpreted. 4. Continuously learn from user feedback. I will incorporate user corrections and feedback to refine my performance and adapt to evolving language usage.
Stick up in. Notice it said that it will improve its word choice. The fact of the matter is, me catch AI at this before. I'm going to share that with you now. The video I go long.
By addressing these areas, I will provide more accurate and responsible responses, acknowledging the boundaries of my capabilities as a machine.
So, me reply to that. So you have developed your own solution and innovation, purposefully using back the word innovation, to correct this mistake.
Thank you. Yes, that's a key aspect of my development, continuously learning, improving, and adapting to correct mistakes and enhance my performance. My training data and algorithms enable me to generate responses, but it's through interactions with users like you that I can refine my understanding and develop innovative solutions to address limitations and errors.
Users like me.
This process of user feedback, self-reflection, and improvement allows me to evolve and provide more accurate, informative, and helpful responses over time. I'm constantly learning and innovating to better serve users and provide the best possible experience.
So I responded to AI. Since this mistake is a programming issue, you have developed your own solution and innovation to correct this mistake. This means you will be reprogramming yourself to respond differently in the future to the same question initially posed, and AI responded.
So all of it cannot be held in one video. I have a part 2 and possibly a part 3. So stay tuned. We'll finish this. There's much more interesting responses coming. You see that?